So here we go. I'm gonna try and get him again. This guy's kind of hidden down here. And got it all set up to blow. He's wearing a trash bag because it's been raining all morning. My father-in-law said if I get him again, he'll buy me lunch. Let's try it. Ready to blow?
Yep,
See which lines blow first. See which lines blow first. It should stay in there. Hey, is that heater on?
Huh?
Is that heater on?
The heater on?
Flip that switch on the front.
Switch?
On the front of the heater, JR. There's a little lid right there. There's a lid in the front. Look, right there in the front. There's a lid. There you go.
There you go.
Is it off?
Yeah, it's off.
Okay. Go ahead, turn it on.
Turn it on?
Yep.
Turn the heater on?
No, the blower. It got you.